Alright. Alright, so this is number 90 from the summer packet, okay, which involves logarithms. Okay, the one main rule it's going to use in this logarithm is going to be that a log base b of x is equal to, okay, log b of x to the a. So what this means is if you ever have a number in front of a log, you can always bring it up to be the exponent here. It's going to help us clean this up just a little bit better. Since I have logs on both sides, I need one log on the left and one log on the right. Okay, notice there's 2 on the right, so the goal is to make it turn into 1. So the left side, we're not going to do anything to the left side. And here we're going to use this little trick that's right here. So we're going to take this 2 and we're going to bring it up here, so it's going to be a square. Okay, so this is going to be log base 3. 4 squared is going to be, let's just leave it as 4 squared for right now. See the little trick at the end. Alright, minus, and we're going to take the 4 and we're going to bring it up here, so it's going to be a 4. So we have log base 3 of 5. We're going to leave that to the 4. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the log rule that says that the log base b of a minus log base b of c is equal to 1 log base b of a divided by c. Okay. So we're going to take those two and turn them into a fraction. All right. So I'm going to leave this one alone. So log base 3 of x squared. And we're going to turn those 2 logs into 1 log. Okay, so now we're going to have 4 squared over 5 to the 4. Okay, so now we have the 2 logs. Once you have 2 logs, you can get rid of the logs themselves. Okay, because obviously this is going to have to be equal to this. So now we have x squared equals 4 squared. And what I'm going to do is, since everything's squared, I'm going to make this a square too. So I know 2 times 2 is 4, so if I take 5 squared and square it, those 2 will multiply to give you the 4. You're going to see why I'm going to do that in just a second. Okay, so to get x by itself, the only thing we have to do is get rid of the square. So let's go ahead and take the square root. You square root a fraction, you square root the top and the bottom, gets rid of the square, gets rid of the square, gets rid of this outside square, but this inside square stays the same. Okay, so now we have x equals, the only thing left on top is a 4. 5 squared is the only thing left on the bottom, which is 25. And we have now solved the equation.